Hello dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English news broadcast. I'm your reporter Bersaba Takhla, and following are the major headlines for today. World Environment Day observed in Asmara. Hagas Agricultural and Technical School graduates 156 students. Iran unveils its first hypersonic missile, Fatah. And Afghan provincial governor killed in a car bombing. On your local reports, World Environment Day 5 June was observed in Asmara at the National Confederation of Eritrean Workers Hall under the theme Beat Plastic Pollution. In his keynote address, Mr. Tesfaye Ghebreselassie, Minister of Land, Water and Environment, expressed on the significance of integrated effort of the public, the world and governments in avoiding the erroneous use of plastic material that are causing adverse effects on the environment as well as on humans. Minister Tesfaye also called on every Eritrean as well as government and public institutions to refrain from buying and frequenting the use of plastic material as well as throwing them all over the place. Noting on the adverse effect on the health of the public and animals, the government of Eritrea issued a proclamation on 2002 to ban the use of plastic particles. Minister Tesfaye said that due to entering the plastic material to the country cross-border, the expected success could not yet be registered. At the occasion, Ms. Aster Radazgi, head of Environmental Management and Supervision at the Ministry, gave a briefing on the plastic pollution and its solution. Mr. Vincent Omuga, acting representative of the UN resident coordinator, on his part, noting that plastic pollution has become one of the greatest global challenges, commended the decisive measure that Eritrea is taking to ban and restrict the use of plastic. Ms. Nashida Sattar, acting representative of the UNDP in Eritrea, also said that about 22% of the causes for diseases are directly linked to environmental factors. At the event, financial awards have been provided to winners of the general knowledge competitions, as well as to 6 women that contributed in controlling the environmental pollution. Hagas Agricultural and Technical School conferred certificates to 156 students, including 75 females, on 3 June. The graduates included 36 in agromechanics, 43 in animal science, 41 in plant science, and 36 in water and soil and irrigation farming development. Mr. Jonas Eyob, director of the school, indicating that the students are being graduated equipped with the necessary knowledge that could enable them to contribute their part in the national development drives, wished them good luck in all their endeavors. Speaking at the occasion, Mr. Tesfaye Siyum, Director General of Technical and Vocational Education at the Ministry of Education, called on the graduates to apply the training they were provided in the implementation of the national development programs. Representative of the graduates, on his part, expressed readiness to play due part in the nation-building process. Hagas Agricultural and Technical School, since it was established in 1999, has graduated 2,979 students, including 1,082 females. On your last local report, the Commission of Culture and Sports announced that the annual Asmara Marathon will be held on 11 June. Ambassador Zemede Takhla, Commissioner of Culture and Sports, said that the marathon will also include 10-kilometer females race, and athletes from 6 countries are expected to take part. The event will also include mass sport. According to Mr. Ephraim Tekheste, athletes from Ethiopia, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania and South Sudan are expected to arrive in Asmara on Friday, and that prizes will be handed over to winners up to 6 positions. Mr. Tadesse Gebru, Secretary General of Athletics Federation, also said that the mass sport will be participated by government officials, diplomats, students and government employees, as well as the public. Dear viewers, still to come here on ERi-TV is your international news after the short break. Welcome back. Iran has unveiled its first ever hypersonic missile, Fatah, which it says can penetrate missile defense systems and will give it a military edge. State media published today images of an unveiling ceremony attended by President Ibrahim Raisi and senior commanders of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, with the domestically made black missile visible. State media said the missile can move at a speed of up to 5,145 meters per second, has a range of 1,400 kilometers, and features a movable secondary nozzle. According to further reports, Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali has chosen the name Fatah, which roughly translates to the opener. Hypersonic missiles move at 5 times the speed of sound or greater and are maneuverable, making them difficult for defense systems and radars to target. The US, Russia, China, and North Korea are believed to be the only countries to have successfully tested hypersonic missiles, but the exact details of the weaponry still remains scant. On today's final report, officials said that the acting governor of the northern eastern Afghan province has been killed in a car bombing. Mondays after the region's police chief was killed in a similar attack claimed by an affiliate of the ISIS group. The bomber rammed a car filled with explosive into the vehicle carrying Nisar Ahmad Ahmadi, acting governor of the northern Badakhshan and provincial capital Faizabad. The driver was also killed and 6 others wounded in the attack. It was not clear who was behind the bombing, which was the first known attack on a Taliban official in Afghanistan in several weeks. The head of culture and information in the province said the governor was the target of the attack. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now a recap of the major headlines. Hagas Agricultural and Technical School graduates 156 students. Iran unveils its first hypersonic missile, Fatah. And Afghan provincial governor killed in car bombing. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.